Hi everyone, good afternoon. By the way, I am Jean Luther S. Montebon. Today, I am going to share with you my ideas about the three-dimensional shapes. And these are the different three-dimensional shapes. But before that, I will define first what is the three-dimensional shapes. So, three-dimensional shapes are shapes that take up space. They have three dimension. We have the length, the width, and the height. There are some features that are common across three-dimensional shapes. These features includes the faces, the edges, and also the corner or the vertices. So first, what is faces? Faces, the flat surfaces of a shape. Edges is the line where two of each surface meet to each other. And the corner or the vertices is where two of each surface are also meet to each other. So first, I would like to introduce you the cube. This is the cube. Cube has six faces. One, two, three, four, five, and six. Cube has its six faces. And also the cube has 12 edges. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, and 12. They have 12 edges. Cube also has an 8 corners. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. It has 8 corners. The second one is a rectangular prism. As you can see, that rectangular prism and cube are the same figure, but I will teach you that the width and the length of this rectangular prism has a different size if you are comparing to this cube, because the cube, the size, the length, and the width are the same. So a rectangular prism has a six faces. One, two, three, four, five, and six. Rectangular prism has also a 12 edges. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, and 12. It has a 12 edges. And also a rectangular prism has an 8 corners. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Again, a rectangular prism has 8 corners or 8 vertices. The third one is a triangular prism. A triangular prism have faces that are a triangle. As you can see, the faces of this triangular prism is a triangle. At the back also is a triangle faces. And they have three that are rectangles. The two triangles faces are always the same size. As I said a while ago, that this triangular prism has also a three rectangles faces. One, two, and three. So let's move on to the six faces. We have one, two, three, four. At the back, six. Triangular prism has its six faces. The second one is the edges. A triangular prism has a nine edges. One, two, three. At the back, four, five, six, seven, and eight. It has an eight edges. Triangular prism also has a six corner. One, two, three. At the back, four, five, and six. Triangular prism has a six corners or vertices. The fourth one is what we call a pyramid prism. Pyramid prism has five faces. One, two, three, four. At the bottom, which is the base, is five. Pyramid prism has also an eight edges. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, and eight. It has an eight edges. Pyramid prism has also a five corners or five vertices. From the top, one, the base, two, three, four, and five. It has a five corners or five vertices. The last one is what we call a octagonal prism. This is an octagonal prism. So, two octagonal prism has a two bases, one and two. Octagonal prism also has an 8 square size. So, may I show you the 8 sides of this octagonal prism? So, let's count first. At the front, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. At the back, 5, 6, 7, and 8. It has an 8 square sides. Octagonal prism has also a 24 edges. I will show you the 24 edges of this octagonal prism. 1, 2, 3, 4 at the back, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, at the bottom, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. It has 24 edges. And the last one, octagonal prism, has a 16 corner or 16 vertices. I will show you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. At the top, we have 8 vertices or 8 corners. So I will also count at the bottom. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. At the bottom has also an 8 corners or 8 vertices. If you are going to add the top, which is 8 corners, and the bottom, which is also 8 corners, the total of 16 vertices or 16 corners. And that's all my ideas that I want to share of you. So I hope you have a lot of information or even ideas that also you can share it to your friends and your family or your sister and brothers. Thank you for watching and listening for my um, presentation for this afternoon, and have a nice day.